Hey guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert Facebook profile to a business page. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Facebook app. Go to your profile. Below your profile header, click or tap the menu button or the three dots on the right side. Then select Turn on Professional Mode. Then go ahead and click Turn On. Professional mode enables you to get paid for your content, see content insights, and let more people follow you. And in this way, your friends will become your followers, so you can add more details about your profile. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.